Welcome guys once again. So we have seen the basic example of parameterization and how it will work in real time. So now we'll discuss what are the different way to parameterize by using TestNg.xml file. So basically we can parameterize using at suit level or at test level. So what example we have seen is suit level. Okay, let's go to the example and we'll see. So mainly we can achieve parameterization two level. One is suit level, one is test level. So as per our requirement we can use. Okay, so if we are putting suit level means in along with the suit, okay, inside suit whatever class, whatever test is there, we can use the same test data throughout all the test. Okay, if we are using test level, we can use the test data only for the particular test. Let's understand these two things with the example. Let's go to example. So as of now what we have seen is suit level, right? So suit level I have declared this test, and okay, I'm able to achieve for these two classes. So as of now only one test is there. Okay, let's create a separate a second test. So I'll just copy, I'll paste. So this is now test 2. Okay, so let's make inside this test 2 I'll make only one class, and here I'll make one class. Okay, so I have now test two test. One is test 1 and one is test 2. Okay, and two different classes, and I have declared this parameter okay across the suit, so I can be able to use this parameter for the this test also and this test also. Okay, or inside this test I can have multiple test classes, multiple classes. Okay, inside this test also we can have multiple classes. Perfect. And this across the test I can use these parameters which is common. Okay, if I'll execute now, this XML file, it will be remain same. Okay, because still my data parameter is suit level, so across test I can use it. If you'll see perfectly I'm getting the same output which I was getting earlier. Okay, now another is test level. So let's make this this parameter as test level. So for test 1 only I'm giving. Okay, this parameter I'm giving only for test 1. So now this parameter will be restricted for only test 1. So this test 2, what will happen, let's observe with the execution. If I'll execute it, so if I'll execute it, so if you'll see, yes, so only test 1 got executed. Okay, but second test is what got skipped. Okay, this is got skipped. Why? Because we are not passing any parameter to that particular test. So param2 test, right? We should suppose to pass these two value to execute that particular test. Since we are not passing, the test is getting skipped. So this is what the difference between test level and suit level. If you will give this parameter at suit level, it will be applicable for all the test inside the suit. Okay, and if I'm giving at a test level, it will be applicable only for test. So few test data you might have to use only a test level which you can mention under the test, and few data you might have to use across the suit. Okay, like database username password, like that, right? So as per your requirement, this is all based on your project requirement, where and all what and all you need in your project. Like you need suit level data, or you need test data, test level data. So as per your requirement, now you know how to parameterize your tester data from testng.xml file. So this is one level of parameterization. Now we'll see how we can execute this test with multiple data set using data provider. So this is all about guys, parameterization using testng.xml. This is a test level, and the same thing if I'll pass here, it will be suit level. So this will be across suit. So if I'll execute, so this will be applicable across the suit. So let me execute once again to show you. So yes, perfect, now it is working because I have declared this as across suit. Perfect. So that's all about this session. So next session is very excited. We'll see how we can use data provider to feed multiple test data, multiple data set into our test method. So thank you for watching. See you in the next.